If you want to block a specific channel from showing up in your recommended feed or your home feed when you open YouTube on your mobile device, what you want to do is to log into your YouTube app account like I've done here. Find the channel, let's say this channel right here. What you want to do then is click these three dots next to the title. So go ahead and click on the dots right there. Once you're here, click on do not recommend channel right after the not interested option. So go ahead and click on do not recommend channel. You will have this message popped out saying we won't recommend videos from this channel to you again. And if you change your mind, you can always undo by just tapping the undo button right here. And to wrap it up, just press the X button right there. There, you've blocked the entire channel in your YouTube home feed. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.